Alright guys, so if you have not started with the Bittoken, I'm going to walk you through in this video everything you need to know about the Bittoken. Now some of us are new to it and some of us are actually asking some repeated questions. Now in this video what I'm going to be doing is to make sure I touch every part where you are asking your questions. Now as we proceed in this video, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So right here on my profile you can see that I have inserted my full name and my email, my Telegram, my Twitter, and also my TikTok username right here. So what this is going to do right here is going to enable you do all these tasks right here. So you can see we have the special, the view yards, the like and comment, subscribe and follow. So that will enable you do that right here. Now most of us have been seeing some of us getting over 22k RP daily. Now this is what they actually do that they are not telling you. You can actually see where it says earn 1000 RP per ad watch. So when you go ahead to click this, you are getting 1000 RP per ad you watch. Okay, so every single day when you come into your Bittoken app, you are allowed to watch 20 ads, and that 20 ads is giving you over 20 RP on your account. Now there are also other ways you can use to boost your mining. Now when you come over to earn right here, let's come over to mine right here. You can actually see that I am actually mining at this rate. Now when you come over to boost right here, you are going to be finding a particular section where you can watch ads and boost. Now those ads are around 10 to 11. Okay, I can't actually remember. Those ads are much for you to watch. Now what that ads are doing are actually boosting your claiming time. Instead of you to come every hour to claim, it will actually boost it to every 24 hours. That is why I advise you always come every day to boost this. Now this is what you're going to be doing every single day if you actually want to be benefiting from Bittoken. When you come over to boost right here, you are going to be watching those ads. I've actually watched mine, so that is why you are not seeing mine right here. Now the other way you can actually use to get benefits is to come over to earn, just like what I said. You are going to be watching 20 ads right here. So you can see I have 18 left. So what I'm going to do is to click on this and I'm going to be watching this ad. So I don't want to play any ads right in this video. Now if you actually want to boost your mining on your account, maybe you don't want to keep mining or claiming, just come down to where you can actually see this particular mine right here. So once you click on that, you can actually see boost. Now under boost, you can see that I have a total balance of 9.2 USD. Now this balance was gotten from my referrals. Okay, so you can actually check that. Now what we are going to be doing right here is to come down where you can see you can speed between 1 to 100 USD per month to purchase a bot miner to boost your daily mining rate and RP. So you can see right here, you can go ahead to click on buy bot miner. So once you click on that, since I have over $1 on my account, I have more than that on my account, you can see the rate right here. We have the one of the mining rate of that costs $1, which is around 2.50 RP every hour, and you claim that for 6 hours. So when you come down right here, you can see the one of 5 USD, and you get the chance to claim this for every 8 hours. Now you can see that is going to be giving 12 times 50 RP every hour. Now when you come down right here, you're also going to be seeing that we have the one of $10, which is going to be giving you a mining rate of 25.00 RP, and you're going to be claiming every 12 hours. Also when you come down right here, you can see the one of the $20, which is going to be giving you a claim time of 16 hours and 50 RP per hour. So that is how you are going to be unlocking this, depending on the one you actually want to go for. So let me say I have more than $1 on my account and I'm going to be getting this right here. So once I click on this, it's going to bring me over to this interface that says irreversible actions. You are sure about buying this bot, so go ahead to click on yes. So once you click on that, you can see action was successful, bot miner purchase successful, USD spent 1, and USD balance is 8.2. Now it's because I have over 9.2 on my balance. That is why I'm able to do this. So you can see, remember to activate your bot when you want it to work. So you need to activate your bot for it to start working. So what we are going to be doing right now is to go back. So when you go back right here, you're going to be seeing below are your inactive bots with their corresponding lifespan upon activation. Click bot to activate if there is no active bot. So remember to always come right here to activate what you just purchased. So what we are going to be doing right now is click on activate. So you can see confirm bot activation. Are you sure putting this bot to work? So it is left for you to put this bot to work. So right now what I'm going to do is to click on yes, proceed. So you can see right now action was successful. So right now this bot miner has actually started. It works. So what you are going to be doing next, you can see watch ads to increase your claim interval. You can watch 9 more ads. So this bot miner has actually unlocked some ads for me to watch. So that is how you can increase your mining rate on this particular Bittoken. So that is what you need to do every single day. Now another thing you want to do right now is to come down to where you can actually see your wallet. Now when you come down to wallet, this is the interface where you can withdraw. For some of you that watched my previous video, it is only what you have on your USDT wallet that you can withdraw. Now what we're going to be doing is to come down to commission. Once you come down to commission, if you refer friends, you're going to be seeing what to claim. But if you don't refer friends, you're not going to be seeing what to claim right here. So that is the work of the commission. Now what I want to tell you again is that you need to do your KYC. Some of you have been reaching out to me and you have been successfully doing your KYC. For some of us that are yet to do it, you can reach out to me so you can do your KYC, because whatever you're doing on this platform without your KYC, you won't be rewarded for it. So it won't be like you're wasting your time on the Bittoken app. Now when you see this particular option that is after the P2P, once you click on that, you can actually get some revenue out of that. Now when you come right here, you're going to be seeing a Bittoken rate. You can see that right here. So you can come right here and pick of which rewards you want to be getting, but this is actually optional. So let's say we want to go ahead to take advantage of these options right here. We are going to come down to this particular green button. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you over to this interface and it's going to ask you complete this particular form and put in the amount of BTT you want to get rewards on. Now this is the available BTT I have. So let's say we want to go with just 500. So I'm going to put in 500 right here. So once I put in 500, so you can see that, then click on this particular submit. So once you click on that, it's going to ask you to confirm, as this is irreversible. So what you're going to do is to click on yes. So you can see action was successful. So you can see that you are going to be getting outcome for this, but this is actually optional. So you need to leverage this platform for you to get the full rewards while using this particular platform. So what I will advise you to do right here is to make sure that you are taking advantage of all the features you have on your Bittoken. So what I'm going to be doing always is to come over to my account and I'm going to be seeing the rewards I have on my account. So this is actually a platform where you actually mine and you actually get rewarded for it. Make sure you also do your own research before taking advantage of this platform, as this is not a financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence before taking action. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. So it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I will give you and also show you some specific ways you can use to leverage your online presence in today's world. See you on my next video and keep winning.